What's the problem, Scotty? Because I've been fighting it, and Scotty's like, oh, let me look.
It's already starting to come apart.
Yeah, because it's JUNK.
Yep.
Oh yeah, look at that. Wow.
Like, yeah.
It's disintegrating already.
Yep. And there's no way pushing this down it's going to go into that hole, because this is straight and this is angled. And I don't even know if I can do that. I don't. Where's the other screwdriver?
I'll go grab you one.
Yes, please.
All right, it's in. A little bit of filing, little bit of fiddling, little bit of this, little bit of that, but she's in. Holy cow, that was a pain in the ass. All right, so that's in. Now we're gonna do the wiring, get this put together. That way we can hopefully drive the car.